Let's look at this. It says, find the value of S, Y, Z, and K from this diagram. So we're going to start from here. As you can see in this place, this is X, 45 degree, 4, and this is 90 degree. With just 45 degree, we know 45 degree is a special angle. So what we are going to do now, we look at what is given to us. This is given to us. This is has to be found. When opposite and hypotenuse are involved, is sine. So we're going to use sine 45 equals to S over 4. Okay? What is sine 45? This is where we concentrate on. With the previous video, we just concluded what was sine 45. If you can't remember, have the picture. Remember, if you draw it like this, you have one here, you have one here, you have square root of 2 here. Okay? 45, that is opposite over hypotenuse. 1 over the square root of 2. If you rationalize, you have what? The square root of 2 over 2. Even though you don't want to rationalize, just remember is 1 over square root of 2. That is, it's like this. This is 1 square root of 2. This is 45. Sine of this is 1 over this. Just 1 over square root of 2. You can replace this with 1 over square root of 2 equals to S over 4. Is this not easy? It's very easy. Because you remember this now, you can just find S by cross multiply to have S multiplied by square root of 2 equals to this is 4. S is equals to 4 over square root of 2. Then you say 4 over square root of 2 multiplied by square root of 2 over square root of 2. By rationality, the denominator 4 square root of 2 over 2, 2 here 1, 2 here 2 equals to 2 square root of 2. I don't want to waste my time explaining all this because we have seen a lot of this solved in this channel. If you don't understand sort, go back and look at sort. The major part of this is just here. This. The rest are just simple arithmetic, okay? So we are through with S. Let's go for Y. Y also involves 45. Again, put that diagram. You can write it fast. This is 45. This is 1, this is square root of 2, okay? Square root of 2. This is given. We are asked to find this. This is adjacent versus hypotenuse. That is cosine. That is cos 45 is equal to 8 over Y. What is this? That is 45, a special angle. Adjacent over hypotenuse, 1 over square root of 2 equals to 8 over Y. That is all. That is all. No issue. If you have not watched the previous video, go and watch it. So with this now, just cross multiply to have this multiplied by this Y equals to 8 square root of 2. That is all. You are true. Okay? Now, let's go for this. Now we have 3, Z, 60. Opposite and hypotenuse. That is sine 60 is equals to 3 over Z. What is sine 60? You cannot remember the value. Just draw it fast. Okay? You put this. This is 60. This is 60. Or let me just do it for you. That is, you just take one of them. Okay? This is 60. This is 30. Remember? This is 1. This is 2. What is this? Square root of 3. Remember, here is 90. Now, what is sine 60 here? Opposite over hypotenuse. Square root of 3 over 2. Square root of 3 over 2 equals to 3 over Z. So, the rest is history. Cross multiply to have Z multiplied by square root of 3 equals to 6. The Bible says by square root of 3, this and this cancel. You have Z equals to 6 over square root of 3. You rationalize this, you have square root of 3 over square root of 3. Please, if you find me too fast, it's because we have done a lot of sort in this class. Here cancel here, you have 2 equals to 2 square root of what? 3. We have done a lot of this in this class. The major part of this class is just here. Here. Which is this. If you don't understand this, it's because you don't watch the previous video. Go and watch it, okay? So this is the answer for this Z. 2 square root of 3. 2 square root of 3. Now, let's go for this. For K. For K, adjacent is given. Hypotenuse is given. That is cosine. Cos 30 equals to K over 9. Okay? What is cos 30? Again, you can use the diagram. Remember this diagram? Here is 30 degree. You remember here is 2, here is 1, here is square root of 3. So what can you get from here now? Cos 30. adjacent over hypotenuse, square root of 3 over 2. You cancel this and put k over 9 because we are actually looking for what? This special angle. So with this now, all you need to do is to what? Cross multiply. Once you cross multiply, have 2k equals to 9 square root of 3. That is k equals to 9 square root of 3 over 2. This is the answer for k. Hope you understand all this analysis. Once you understand SOHD, you understand trigonometry ratio on the special angles 30, 60, and 45. You can easily solve questions like this, okay?